Hey everyone, welcome to Pabbly. In this video, I'm going to talk about something very interesting, which is how to use ChatGPT for healthcare business. Now, when it comes to healthcare business, you have a lot of tasks in your hand. So, you have to make sure that people are educated about health. At the same time, you have the invoices to deal with. Then you have the patient history and so many things. Now, when I say that a lot of these things which you do and it takes a lot of time can be done in just one click, then it is definitely going to be of some interest to you. Why? Because you want to save time and use that time somewhere else, right? So here I'm going to talk about ChatGPT, and everybody is talking about it. What is it? This is an artificial intelligence chatbot developed by OpenAI. And OpenAI is an artificial intelligence and deployment company that helps in generating human-like content and images. Now, the conversation is so human-like and so engaging that it is really going to help you in doing a lot of tasks. So here, let's check out a few. So first of all, virtual health assistants. Now you know that everything is going online. So let's say that I am not unwell and I want to visit a doctor, but it is not available at that moment. So here, providing virtual health assistant is a beautiful task which can be done with the help of ChatGPT. Why? How? You can actually have all the questions, the frequently asked questions and everything, and automatically the reply would be generated. Not only that, so every time there is a patient who has asked a question, the answer can be developed with the help of ChatGPT, and then it would be shared with the person. Then medical coding, billing, reports generation. So this is definitely a time consuming task. And how can you help yourself by avoiding the work and do it, automate this entire process with the help of ChatGPT? Health education. So by providing information and answer questions about health and wellness. So not only would I be able to understand like a perfect way to live my life or the healthy lifestyle, or how can I avoid the issue of cholesterol, how can I make my blood pressure normal, etc. I really do not have to Google it. What I can do is I can ask the answers with the help of ChatGPT. I would be answered. The next is real-time personalized support and counseling tactics for mental health issues. And this is a big thing these days. Mental health issue is not subjected to a particular category. So right from a child to a person who is in his 60s or 70s or 80s, people are suffering from mental health issue. Now there are times when you want to talk to people and nobody is available, right? You want a proper counseling or you want a proper guidance. And here again you can be helped with the help of ChatGPT. Next is appointment scheduling and reminders. Now ChatGPT not only will provide you reminders about this appointment scheduled, it is also going to schedule the appointments for you, which means again there is a person, there's a like overall person, the task has been made zero. Drug discovery. So identify new drug targets. So to do the research also ChatGPT can help you. Telemedicine. Now telemedicine is the new term in the town. So identify potential health concerns and provide guidance on the next steps. So telemedicine is nothing but the virtual health assistant. So if I'm suffering from something, here with the help of telemedicine, I would be able to identify the potential health concern, and then I would also be able to get some guidance on how to deal with it. And this is all without the presence of a doctor, a specific doctor. Now here, since we are a big population and here we need this guidance like a lot more than what is available for us, ChatGPT is really a boon. And now, how can Pabbly Connect help you? So basically, Pabbly Connect is an integration and automation software that helps you in integrating different applications. Now here you have the entire data in your Google Sheet. So what you can do is you can secure data in Google Sheet. So once you have received the ChatGPT data, you can provide, like you can secure it in a Google Sheet, or every time a new row is added in a Google Sheet with some instruction, then with the instruction ChatGPT would be able to generate data. Send mails. So the appointment has been scheduled. Now you want to send reminder mails, or you want to just send the appointment mails or anything. Here again, you don't have to write anything individually, just integrate. So you have the email address in your Google Sheet or Airtable or Excel sheet. Just integrate it with ChatGPT so that first of all the reply or the email would be generated, and then connect it, integrate it with Gmail or any other mail sending application, and you are done. Next is Google Calendar for scheduling. So when I say that you can schedule everything, so just integrate ChatGPT with Google Calendar, and then if you want to send a mail, again you can connect it with an email platform. WhatsApp messages, SMS notifications to users with information. So every time there is a person who has, let's say, subscribed to your newsletter, or let's say that it has like filled up the form, like the form has been submitted. So you have the user details. Now you can send them reminders, you can send them newsletters, you can just connect with them. Respond to queries received through forms responses. So every time there is a query that you have received through a submission of a form, now automatically generate a reply. You don't have to sit and write it. You don't have to depend on someone who would be able to write it. Why? Because you have ChatGPT. This is the answer to all the questions in this era. So here Pabbly Connect will actually can help you in integrating different applications where ChatGPT is an integral part of it, and your work will be done, and you would be able to understand that how much time you can save, because all these tasks are now automated. So I hope this was useful. If you feel that yes, you want to do this, you want to integrate these applications and really like focus on the things which are way more important than these tasks, then just visit the description link which is given in the video description. Check that out, understand how you can use ChatGPT, and try a few workflows, because here you do not need any technical expertise. Once you try this, I'm sure you would love it. If in case you find any doubt or you're stuck somewhere, don't worry, because we are happy to help. Just write to us. I'm going to come up with more such informative videos, and if you like this, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.